Our professional locksmith service provides fast and reliable solutions for both car key services and door lock repair. Whether you have lost your car keys, need a replacement or key fob programming, or are locked out of your vehicle, we can help. Our skilled automotive locksmiths arrive fully locksmith equipped to assist you. We also specialize in residential door lock repair. This includes fixing jammed or damaged locks, rekeying existing locks, and replacing old hardware. We install deadbolts and assist with home lockouts. Available 24/7 for emergencies. We offer quick response times and fair pricing. Our professional workmanship uses modern tools and techniques. If you need dependable help with car keys or door locks, our local locksmith team is ready to secure your vehicle and your home.